So I'm here with my patient Carol today, and Carol's been seeing me for 3 months or so, I think, 3 or 4 months.
A little longer, yeah. A
Yeah.
little bit longer.
So Carol, just give us an idea, kind of what you were dealing with when you first came in to see me for NIS, and what you've noticed since we've been working with you with the NIS.
Well, prior to coming, I had reached a state where I was sitting in a chair most of the day in a lot of pain throughout my body. My sleep was interrupted at night with bad leg cramps, and I just had kind of a feeling of hopelessness, like all the systems of my body were shutting down. I was having heart palpitations when I tried to exercise. I just had a feeling of doom and gloom. Didn't think there was going to be an answer. And I prayed hard about it. And my children suggested that I should try this new treatment that they had heard about with Dr. Benz and Anacortes. And I thought, what do I have to lose? I'm feeling pretty hopeless right now. And I came for my first visit, and my son came with me, and he was curious too to see how it would go. And in the very first appointment, I felt a release of pain across my shoulders and down my right arm. And I hadn't had any pain decrease, only increase in years. And it made me cry, even thinking about it now. The word, I remember looking at my son and saying, freedom, that's what I feel, freedom, a new freedom. And that very first week after I went home for my first treatment, my blood pressure returned to normal. I started losing weight. I got out of the chair. I had felt very, very weak prior to coming, and I had a little bit more energy. I started doing some household chores again, and everything just improved from that point on. I went to the dentist, and he said, your gums look better, they're not bleeding, less inflammation. I even managed to take short walks, and in a relatively short period of time, I took a hike up Goose Rock on Whidbey Island with my husband, which was a 487-foot elevation gain from sea level. 40 years since I had done that prior. I have good sleep now. I feel rested when I wake up. The pain, the all over body pain is gone. If I have a little pain now, I can identify where it is because my whole body isn't hurting all the time. I'm increasing my exercise. I'm going to continue with the food plan that was suggested by Dr. Benz because I feel so much better. It's reduced brain fog as well, which is improving my memory. I feel joyful now instead of hopeless. That's worth everything, everything. I feel grateful to God for leading me here, for Dr. Benz for directing me in the right direction, and I hope to just keep improving. And that's something to say. I'm going to be 74 in a couple of days. You don't think things will get better when you get older, but they can. So I thank you, Dr. Benz.
Well, Carol, thank you so much, and it's just been a joy to watch you go through the changes you've gone through, and really it's just a testament to the healing power of your own body and what can happen when we can get the interference to that out of the way. So thank you so much for doing this today. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.